This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Was Sent Some Shit. Let's unbox it. And in today's video, we have, hold on. It's a big ass bitch. We have MayMei. Now, I have unboxed a MayMei set before. I think it was like called the Winter Weirdness, if I'm not mistaken. And my favorite one, actually, hold on, let me show you. My favorite one is my child, and my child watches me from over there. Let me show you. My sweet little angel. My retired showgirl from Las Vegas. I love her so much. I really do. So the fact that I get another chance to open up a MayMei series, bitch, say less. Now this series is called Kitten Academy, which basically sounds like it should have been on ABC Family when I was a child. And I kind of get the vibe from looking at these little ladies that each one of them has their own little story. Especially Cheesy Kitten. I don't know what that's about, but we need to get to the bottom of it. But before we unbox all this goodness, a very special thank you to Popboxes. I love Popboxes. They are my sweeties. I love them because not only do they send me stuff, but I am a customer. And I love them because they usually have things that I cannot find anywhere else. For example, I picked up this little bad boy, this little Neota. Oh my God, okay? Oh my God. I needed it. Fun fact, in my background, I have a decorative sponge holder guy or whatever, which I know I'm gonna give you a tour of the background soon enough. But anyway, I've had this little lady staring at me for, I don't even know, God knows how long. So when I saw that Neota had a collaboration with this brand, I was like, haha, bitch, say less. So I picked this up and I'm patiently, well, not really patiently, I'm actually very impatient, but I'm waiting for this to show up at my door and I'm so excited. I am cosplaying someone who has patience. It is very hard. But what I love about Popboxes is that stuff gets shipped out so fast and things arrive to your doorstep like lickety-split. Like, it's insane. So Popboxes not only has really good stock, a lot of things that you cannot find elsewhere, but their shipping, amazing. So if you're ever interested in wanting to check out anything from Popboxes, I do have a code with them. Feel free to use the code Theresa. And you can get 15% off your order. And just like last time, that code is good for about a month and then I'll go down to 12%. So feel free to peruse at your leisure. And definitely check out all the promotional events that they got going on, whether it's free shipping or whether if you spend a certain amount, you can get this item for free. I think with my Neota, I actually qualified for, I think it was a Nomi? I don't know, I'm gonna pop it up right here. I think I got like this guy for free, which I'm excited about because they don't have any Nomis. And I'm like, I need Nomis now. So depending on what you spend, you get a little something back. So if you're looking for like rare Skull Panda figures or Labubu figures, or hell, my boy Pucky, which I recently just picked up a couple of things from them, which I'm so excited about. Popboxes simply has it all. So again, thank you to Popboxes for sending this my way. I appreciate your faces. And now let's open this bad boy. I cannot wait. Let's see who your sisters are gonna be. Okay, but hold on, let me just put this back. I'm so proud of myself that I now know how to do the displays. It only took me unboxing 1,000 times to know that this is what it should look like. Snaps to me. That box is huge. We're gonna put it on the floor, unfortunately. Okay, so here are all the little options. All of them are super cute. The secret one, of course, is like one of the cutest things I've ever seen. I hope we get it, fingers crossed. But let's see, who do I think this is gonna be? Immediately, I wanna say this is gonna be Ginger Kitten. I don't know why. I kind of feel like Ginger Kitten is definitely the artsy one. She's quiet. She's a lot going on, okay? She really wants to leave this small town and go live in the big city where she's gonna be a graphic designer. That's the kind of vibe I get from Ginger Kitten, and I think Ginger Kitten is gonna be in this box. So let's see if I'm remotely right. I was hoping for a pop. That's a tease. Like, what is this? No. Shut up! Ah, no, fuck, okay. Wrong kitten, this is Leopard Kitten. Which let me tell you, Leopard Kitten, I was kind of looking at her too, but I was like, I don't think it's gonna be Leopard Kitten. Oh, she is so cute. Oh, does her little hat comes off? Okay, all right, I'm sorry. First of all, this is my like little fashionista one. She loves it. Oh, she's wearing, are they all wearing ties? No, only some of them are wearing ties. Oh, you are so cute. Okay, so she is my fashionista. She literally raids her parents' closet. She mixes and matches. She always looks like $1,000,000. She is going to be leaving this small town, all right? She's gonna be leaving. And she's gonna be somebody, okay? She really is. She's going to be, I don't know why I'm getting Rachel Zoe vibes from her, but she is my Rachel Zoe, okay? She is so cute. Look how cute she is. Again, this tie is such a, and first of all, this matches the nails so good. Oh, this is so good. Okay, so look at her. She has her little hat on. We love her hat. Technically, you could, oh no, you do not. Okay, we could take her clothes off. We're not gonna do that, but you could, but we're not gonna do that, but you could, because it has a little Velcro thing back here, but we're not doing that. No, but I do love that she has little pants on, and I love her little shirt. I think this is like killing me right now because I think about like the SpongeBob set that I just unboxed, and I really just wanted that tie detail from the scientist. And I know it's such a stupid touch, but the fact that she has it, oh man, she is literally giving me life. I love her little hat. She's so cute. Now, what you do get with her, you do get like a little ring too, so you can kind of put that, where are you? I just saw you too, I just felt you. There's like a little spot, I just saw it. Now I don't know where it is. It's somewhere in your hat, lady. Oh yeah, no, here it is. I gotta like pull it out. It's like on her head, essentially. It's this little guy. So you could put the ring through that. So hold on, let me just, because I mean, girl needs a hat. She's too cute. So yeah, there you go. So you put the little ring there, and then she could hang on your bag. I will say, she big. She a big bitch. She a big bitch. Oh, look, they're sisters. I can't. Oh, you're cute. You might be my favorite one. You're the first one I opened, but you might be my favorite one. All right, let's try box number 2. If that was leopard kitten, I really think this one is going to be, I'm kind of getting the vibe that this could be hardy kitten or spotty kitten. It's gonna be either one of those two, but I kind of have a feeling it's gonna be hardy kitten. Let's see if I'm remotely right. The yell that came out of my mouth. This is spotty kitten. Ah! Okay, so I was kind of somewhat right? I was kind of somewhat right. I felt it in my bones. It was either one or the other, so I'm kind of psychic today. Oh, she is so cute. Oh, she's adorable. First of all, I want to call her Sporty Spice so badly. But I kind of feel like this one kind of plays by all the rules. Like she has a really good GPA. She's definitely not going out to any party. She's not meeting other cats to make out with them behind the dumpsters. You know what I'm saying? She's a good girl. This is my good girl. She's a little vanilla, she's a little boring, but we might get an episode or two where she takes one too many caffeine pills, you know? A la Jessie Spano. I like this one. This one is really cute. Again, I love the little detail of the tie, and I love that this is kind of more of like a dress situation. I love her little tail. I think the color is so pretty. She kind of matches my girl over here, my retired Vegas showgirl, so kind of love that. You're cute. Also, in her little eyes, we only get really close there, buddy. She has like a little fishy boy, and then she has like a little paw print, so that's really cute. I like her little booties too. She's cute. I like her. Again, you get a key ring, you get a little key guy, so you could put it right through the little loop there, and you can go on about your day. We love that. Okay, so number 3. I kind of have a feeling this is gonna be Tabby Kitten. I don't know why, but I kind of feel like she's gonna be like my purple goth queen. She's gonna be a la Karami, whatever. No, I think I say her, no, I think it's Karomi. I've always said Karami because I'm a monster. Okay, Karomi. I feel like she's gonna be my Karomi. So let's see if I am remotely right. No, bitch, it's my Melody. Basically, she looks like my Melody, and you cannot tell me otherwise, okay? Oh shit, wait, where's your hat, bitch? Hold on. I was just like, wait, you're naked. Hold on, let me put her hat on. Oh, you are so cute. Oh my God, shut up. Hold on. Oh, she is so cute. Also, girl got a big ass head. Girl got a big ass head. So this is Hardy Kitten. Okay, and she is hardy. She is hardy. Oh, look how cute she is. Also, that's my hair. Okay. How'd you get my hair? All right, weirdo. I like her. She's kind of a girly girl. She kind of reminds me of, oh God, Karen from like Mean Girls. I feel like she knows how to predict the weather 70% of the time. She looks like Karen from Mean Girls. I love this. She's like, hey. And then she walks into a door. I love you. You're kind of silly looking. I also love her dress. I love that she has like a little star. And in her eyes, you have little bows. She's so cute. I love her hat. She's cute. She has a little tail. I like her little dress. You're adorable. You're adorable. You're stupid, but you're adorable. Like Karen from the movie. We have 3 more boxes. I have a feeling this one is going to be, I think this one's gonna be my cheesy kitten. I think she's gonna be my cheesy kitten. I just have a feeling she's gonna be my weirdo. Let's see if I am remotely right. Watch it be Karomi, but no, it's cheesy kitten. Who are you? Oh no, she's Karomi! Ah, no, no, she's Cheesy Kitten. Ah! All right, wait, hold on. Who the fuck are you? Yes, bitch, it's Cheesy Kitten! Okay, first of all, I should never doubt myself. That's Cheesy Kitten. Here's the thing. This girl, just like her sister, lost her hat. So I was a little confused because she kind of looked like she was going to be Tabby Kitten, which is the Karomi variant in my mind. But, oh my God, look at her. She's so cheesy, she's so weird. There's like a rumor about her that she smells like cheese. That's why she's cheesy. Cheesy Kitten. Oh, she's so adorable. Also, look, it's in her eyes. She's a little cat and a little star. We love that. I like her little outfit. I love her little beanie. Oh, this one's so cute. Again, I'm all about this ABC Family show right now. I'm all about you. But yeah, everyone's gonna kind of think that she's a joke, but meanwhile, she's like the one that's like making out with like the captain of like the Meow Football League or some shit, like Meow Football League. You know what I mean though? School captain, high school captain. She's making out with him, but like he's not telling anybody, and he like pushes her in the locker. That's kind of what happens to her a little bit. But she, at the end of the day, is going to win prom queen. We love her. And everyone will realize that weird is beautiful. And cheesy. I like it. Okay, we have 2 boxes left. All right, so who are we missing? Who are we missing? We are missing Ginger Kitten and Tabby Kitten. I kind of have a feeling this is going to be, oh, of course, also the secret. I don't think we're lucky this time. I just don't feel it. But I think this one is going to be my Ginger Kitten. Watch it be Tabby, but I think it's going to be Ginger. My life flashed before my eyes. I didn't realize how strong I was. I ripped that so hard. Okay. Okay. Bitch, yes, I'm psychic. Okay. Oh, I love her. I love her. I love you so much. Ginger Kitten is my alternative girl. She is. She's kind of like, ooh, remember the faculty? Remember Stokely? She's Stokely, okay? She's like, crash and burn, Casey. Like that's. Fun fact, in this house, I try to say that at least once every quarter, and then I kind of catch Alex off guard and he just laughs. So I hope you enjoy that, Alex. Anyways, this is my Stokely. She is my faculty girl, okay? She is going to figure out at the end of the day how to defeat the aliens, okay? All right? Basically a little bit of myth, all right? She is so cute. So what is in your eyes? Ooh, I kind of like it because it looks like it's one side's a little kitty. The other side's like a portal. That's actually kind of sick as fuck. Oh, I like this. I like you. I think you might be my favorite. Don't tell the other girls, but I think you might be my favorite. I don't know, I'm gonna always be rooting for you. I like her little tie. I don't know, I just think her whole, like, her just overall vibe, I'm totally into. So for that, we love you. And then of course, there you go. There's that card. Here's our last box. So I think it's gonna be Tabby Kitten. I don't think we're lucky enough to get the secret, so I'm just gonna say it right now. Tabby Kitten all the way. I knew it, Karami. All right, Karomi. I know it just annoys some of you so much, and I love that. She's cute. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, listen, you know me, I'm not a big Karomi fan. Not because I think she's ugly or anything like that. It's just every time there is a Sanrio box, I pull her first. Like, it's just inevitable. It's like the universe is like, here you go. This is for you. This was meant for you. She always just reminds me of like one cat that apparently hates everybody, right? Like you go visit your friend's house, hates everybody, but then that cat will just somehow sit on you because it knows that you don't like cats. Like that's the vibe Karomi gives me. Anyway, she is so cute. I love her so much. I feel like out of everyone in Kitten Academy, this is our main star. This is the one that we follow all the time. We're always rooting for her because she is going to be doing bigger and better things. And I love that. She's really, really pretty. I love the hat. I love the color of the hat. And I think it just kind of meshes well. Also, these are big ass bitches. So like, again, for scale, here's my head. My head is pretty big. Like these ladies are pretty big, okay? And I think I love them even more because of that. But this one is so cute though. She's adorable. She's giving main character energy and I'm kind of here for it, so. Hi. So we love that. Let me show you the card. All right, ta-da, Tabby Kitty. Okay, so I'm gonna be ruthless, all right? Let me see. So who are my favorite little babies? I think coming in last place, I need to see the names of you guys. It's gonna be my Hardy Kitten, my Karen Harris. I was gonna say my Karen Harris. No, Karen Harris is a real person. Hi, Karen. Not Karen Harris, but like Karen. Actually, what's her name? Karen Harris? Hold on. Now I gotta go fact check myself. Oh my God, that'd be really funny. I never noticed that. Karen Smith. Okay, I was close. Karen Harris, influencer. Karen Harris. No, God damn it, Karen. Karen Smith, Mean Girls. Oh, okay. Last place, Karen Smith. I like her. I think she's cute, but I just think that the colors on the other kitties are a little bit cuter. But she's also kind of giving me the vibe too that yes, she's kind of stupid, but she portrays herself as like a rich girl. But little do you know that her daddy embezzled a lot of money and they are going to be broke as fuck soon because the government is going to seize all their assets. That's the vibe she gives me. And in that case, last place you go. Sorry, bud. I think number 5 would be I want to call you Sporty Spice so bad. But you're not. You're called Spotty Kitten. I think this is my good girl. She doesn't muck in with a lot of the shit. She gets her work done. And I think the other girls are a little bit more colorful, a little bit more fun. Although I do like her though. I do like her. I do like the little bone, the little fish bone in her eyes. I think that's so pretty. But I think the other ones are a little bit cuter. So I'm going to say that you are number 5. Number 4 is my main character energy, Kuromi. My tabby kitten. She is super cute. I love her little beanie. There's something about her that just kind of gives main character energy and I love that. But I think the other ones are just a little bit cuter and a little bit more fun. So I'm going to say that she is my number 4. Now this is where it becomes a little bit difficult. I think number 3 is going to go to my cheesy kitten. She is my weird one. She's the one where all the rumors are about her and then she secretly makes out with with the head of the football team. That's my girl. But she has horrible rumors about her. They say that she smells like cheese, and I feel like in her locker, they just kind of leave her cheese. That's the kind of vibe I get from her. But I like her, but I think the other two are a little bit cuter, so that's why she's number 3. I think my number 2 is gonna be my ginger kitten. I really like her a lot. I think this is the one I called Stokely, right? I like her a lot. She's really fun. She's alternative. She's really cute. I love the green in her hat. I think that's so pretty. I feel like her colors just like match really, really well. But if I'm going to be honest though, she's my number 2 because there's something about the Rachel Zoe cat. There's something about Rachel Zoe that I love. I don't know why I love it so much. There's just something about her that's so cute. Like I love the leopard print. I love her hat. She is just like, she's going places. And I want to watch a spin-off show of like her in the city. Okay. I know I'm like combining franchises at this point and it's all like now old MTV shows, but listen, I'm here for it, okay? I would totally watch a season of her just trying to make it at like Revolve Fashion Company or something like that. Whatever, Kelly Catone, like I'm into this. This is so good. So I love her. You are my number 1 queen. I love you. I can't. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below which one of these kitties is your favorite. Also, would you watch this show? Because, I mean, I would. I would watch it. Would you watch it? I think you should. Also, let me get my little baby over here. Oh, they're like sisters. Come on. I love them. I can't. But do let me know which one is your favorite. And of course, I want to say, again, special thank you to Popboxes for sending this my way. I love your faces. Thank you so much. And of course, if you ever want to get anything from Popboxes, feel free to use my code Theresa, and you can save 15% off your order. And of course, a very special thank you to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. We love your faces. And we'll see you little garbage cans tomorrow. Bye. I don't know what this is. I guess that's a purr, right? It's more like a goblin. I like that one better. Okay, bye.